Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, May the 1st, 2024. Already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary puzzle. The last puzzle for today is the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Yes, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one will be number 8465. 8465. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual boxes. Dual box. Cannot fill this yet, but let me mark those 2 boxes. The 1 and the 2 contains the 1 and the 2. How about the triple boxes? We have here triple boxes. I see only 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And the 2 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. The upside down shape, T shape, yeah. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But it can't be 1 anymore because we have a 1 here. Should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Here we have also 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, here, another T shape. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Do we have more T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Do we have more? Yeah, here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then these two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes surround 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a double 4 there. I cannot place the 4 here. If I place the 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes in this quarter box. So the 4 supposed to be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. These two boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3 and this box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be there. Then, let me see. This box can be 2. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Eliminated here 5. Okay. These two boxes can be 5. So the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2 here. 1 and 2. Alright, and now this box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be solid 2. Alright, and now mark those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. Then let me see. Yeah, need to think. 3 and a 4. Alright. These 3 boxes. So round 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Come on. Yeah. Well, 1. Here should be the 1. Ooh, I think this box should be... No. Cannot. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Think. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 5. So 2 numbers left, 3 and 4. Okay. And now this box can be 1, can be 2, can be 5. So 2 numbers left, 3 and 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4. So now we have a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Let me mark those. 1 and a 2. Well, 1 and a 2. 3 and a 4. Think. Come on. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. But also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Interesting. I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. This is not supposed to be 1, 2, 4, so 3 or a 5 here. Let me go down. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. And that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 2. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Well, we have a double 2 there, so I cannot place the 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 anymore. If I place 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. The other pair should be the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this quarter box should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. Yeah, so 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1, okay. We go up 3 and the 4, we have a 3 here, so this can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 4, and that box should be a 3, is connected with that box, should be also 3. Then, yeah, well, this box, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there, can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2. And 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box can be a 3, so 1 box left with 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Okay. Come on. 3, 2, 1, and the 4. I'm thinking. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We already have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 1, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape supposed to be here. And I've eliminated there the 5, so the 5 is supposed to be here then. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes here. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that that box can be a 3. And I need a 3 in this L-shaped area, so the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes here. Alright. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double on it. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. So that box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes here. And the final 2 numbers, the 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes, wow. Not faster than 50 minutes. So not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars, let me give it 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Wednesday.